Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today I will discuss about the syllabus of painting having code number 049 for the academic session 2020 and 21. I will also show you some of the examples of painting composition. The topics are family and friends in daily life, professionals and profession, games and sports, nature, fantasy, events and celebrations. So let's start. Practical painting code number 049. Maximum marks 70, time allotted 6 hours, 3 hours for still life and 3 hours for painting composition, each having 25 marks. 20 marks for portfolio assessment. Next comes distribution of marks. In still life or object study, drawing 10 marks, treatment of media or colors 5 marks and overall impression 10 marks. In painting composition, compositional arrangement including emphasis on the subject 10 marks, treatment of media and appropriate color scheme 5 marks, originality, creativity and overall impression 10 marks. In portfolio assessment, record of the entire year's performance from sketch to finished product 10 marks, 4 selected nature and object study exercises in any media 5 marks, 2 selected painting compositions prepared by the candidate 3 marks and 1 selected works based on any Indian folk art is 2 marks. The subjects or topics for nature and object study: natural forms, large size, foliage and flowers, fruits and vegetables, etc. Geometrical forms made of wood, plastic, paper, metal, earthen, etc., such as cube, cone, prism, cylinder and sphere. And topics for painting composition: affairs of family, friends and daily life, affairs of family, professionals, games and sports activities, nature, fantasy, national, religious, cultural, historical and social events and celebrations. The first category for composition is family and friends in daily life. These are some of the examples of the subject family and friends in daily life. The second category is professionals and professions. These are some of the examples of the subject professionals and profession. The next topic is games and sports. These are some of the paintings done by the senior artists of our country as well as the students. Now, I am showing some of the examples of paintings on nature. These are the paintings on subject fantasy. The last topic is national events and celebrations. These are some of the examples. Six easy steps to make a painting. Download the picture of the painting by clicking the link at the description. Print the downloaded picture on A3 paper. Copy the painting in your drawing book A3 160 GSM carefully by soft pencil and eraser. Get the drawing corrected by your art teacher. Color the drawing by using artist watercolor or pastel or poster or acrylic colors. Outline the picture with black gel pen if necessary. These are the 2 YouTube channels for learning watercolor. Just click the links to learn watercolor. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.